Uy, here, ang bilis. Nandito na tayo sa Warung Local. May pila talaga. Siya na yung nabibigyan ng reco sa atin. Bilang siyang lagi nandito. And this one. Okay. Thank you. Oh my goodness guys, ang sulit nito for 40 IDR. Isa talaga to sa tip guys kapag nasa Bali. Look for warungs and eat in warungs. Kasi aside from marami, definitely, di hamak na mas mura talaga siya kaysa sa mga restaurants. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Here from Bali, Indonesia. This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. And for today's video, guys, solo trip pala tayo. So mga naisip ko ngayon on the spot. So naisipan natin na experience yung warung or yun yung kanilang local eateries dito sa Bali na yung pagkain ay mga homemade na pagkain. Kumbaga in the Philippines, these are the karinderya, yung mga warungs. And dahil gusto natin na makakuha ng, recommendations from the local, nag-ask na tayo dito sa ating dito sa ating cafe na pinuntahan sa mga staff dyan kung ano yung best warung dito sa area na to. Alright? And they recommended warung local. Iso ko yung clip kasi nauna kong videohan yung pagtatanong ko kesa sa intro na to. So kung kayo guys ay mag-travel in the Philippines or abroad, you can book your hotels and activities via Klook. So gamitin nyo yung promo code ko para maka-discount kayo. I'm asking where's the best warung from?
For the warung local, just go straight, I think about 150 meters on the left side.
So that's the best one for you?
I think so because the
warung local.
Yeah, warung local. Tourists.
Tourists.
Go there, yeah.
Oh, warung local. For you, it's also the best. Warung local. Best. It's the choice of menu. Warung local.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Bye. Okay, nakahingi tayo ng reco sa kanila. And nakarinan natin kasi malapit na lang dito sa ating cafe na kung saan tayo nag-work from home. Kasi this solo trip, hindi tayo nag-leave. So, we're still working. Pero okay naman kasi relaxing yung vibe dito sa Bali. Feeling ko na babakasyon pa rin ako. Kahit nagtatabaho ako. Nandun pa rin yung bakasyon vibe kahit nagtatabaho. And I love solo traveling. And ko sa na-realize kasi I can really go to wherever places na gusto ko at my own pace. Kaya ngayon, on the spot kong naisip magwarung. So, let's go! 7-minute walk guys from the cafe. Yung warung local. Uy, here, ang bilis. Nandito na tayo sa warung local. Okay guys, pinipilahan siya. It's 7 PM. And look at the line. I mean, it's 5 minutes before 7. And may pila talaga. So they have different packages. Ayan. May package na 35K and 40K. Gusto ko yung 40K. It's around 144 pesos. One rice, noodles, chicken, side dish, and 2 vegetables. And you can fill your own plate. I think they're around, they're until 10 PM. Those are the food. May iba't ibang choices. And then may step 1. Choose your meat or seafood. Choose your side dish. May joke, step 1 pala, choose your base. Yun. I think that's the rice or noodles. So these are the choices. Ito na tayo guys, finally tayo nag-order. So we have ordered brown rice and then may choice din naman na noodles. Okay. What chicken? One chicken, okay. What do you recommend?
Maybe honey chicken?
Go, honey chicken. Alright, humingi lang tayo ng recommendation sa kanya. Siya nang bahala. Okay. Ang dami, my gosh. Tapos Y plus lang. This one. Okay. So, siya na yung nabibigyan ng reco sa atin. Bilang siyang lagi nandito. And this one. Okay. Thank you. Guys, ang dami. Ang sulit niyan. For 144 pesos. Hello. I think that's mine. Yeah. How much?
40,000.
40,000. Okay.
Small money maybe.
So, smaller money.
Yeah,
Nandito yung spoon and fork, guys. And this one, garlic crackers. It's for free. Oh my goodness, guys. Ang sulit nito for 40 IDR. Guys, yung kanina yung croissant natin, nasa 98 IDR yun. 98k IDR. So, around 300 plus. Imagine, this is almost half the price of what we ordered earlier. And may rice ka na, may gulay, 2 gulay, and then may chicken, and then ito may spring rolls. And then ito for fito, yung parang may crackers nila. And ang haba ng pila, humaba siya lalo. Okay, so limited seats, but many people. And ang ganda ng ambience dito, guys. You can just watch the street, yung mga sasakyan at mga tao na dumadaan dito. Isa talaga to sa tip guys kapag nasa Bali. Look for warungs and eat in warungs. Kasi aside from marami, sulit siya. Definitely, di hamak na mas mura talaga siya kaysa sa mga restaurants. Na, you know, especially yung mga western restaurants, they're a lot more expensive versus this. And it's the local experience. And guys, ang sarap. Sarap ng food. Ito talaga yung homemade. And since limited yung seats, there's a chance that we will share, you know, the table with other tourists. I'm not sure kung tourist sila, pero baka dito na sila nakatira. But white guys, white girls na nandito. Ang sarap ng chicken, ang sarap ng spring rolls, my god. Alright guys, we just finished eating. And tip, magdala kayo ng tubig. So nag-refill lang ako sa sa hostel namin para makatipid tayo. So make sure may kayong water bottle kasi para makatipid tayo. And hindi ko na videohan pero may naka-seatmate tayo na seaman, galing siyang Ukraine. Yes, galing siyang Ukraine. Tapos nakwento niya na more than a month na siya dito sa Bali and he's part of the Indonesian crew. Medyo cute pa naman si Kuya na Ukrainian. And wow, yun talaga. And feeling niya local na siya sa Bali. He's used to eating the food here. Kasi tinanong ko siya, among the countries he visited, because he has explored the world already. Siyempre, work niya. Tapos meron silang 3 months para magbakasyon. Iba daw talaga yung ganda ng Bali for him. And feeling niya babalik daw siya dito. So kung may makaka-seatmate kayo sa mga warung or anywhere in the world, may makakausap kayo, maximize niyo yan kasi nakakatuwa makarinig ng mga kwento from, you know, other people, especially from other people with different nationality. Kasi bukas, flight na nung nakausap nating Ukrainian. Eh, tinanong ko siya, hindi na daw siya makakabalik, hindi for now siya makakabalik sa Ukraine. So, somewhere in Europe siya pupunta. So, yeah, good food, good conversation. My heart is full and my tummy is full. Ang dilim dito, feeling ko pangit ng lighting ngayon, no? So guys, experience nyo yung mga warung kapag kayo ay magbabali, nakakatuwa lang. It's the local experience and the cheaper option in terms of food. So here from Bali, This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. And guys, let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! Yung warung pala, yung warung local is recommended by the staff sa cafe and one of our followers. Pati yung sa hostel natin is one of their recommended na pwede natin kainan. Warung local. So pwede nyo siya mahanap dito sa Chanco guys. Okay?